Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 Audi A3 S Line. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and returning up to 47 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 21 and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 21,000 miles and comes with full service history from Audi. This colour is the Mythos Black and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. Having a look inside, you've also got the nice clean interior, and being the S Line, you've also got the sports leather seats with the matching leather steering wheel, and the front seats are also heated. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has climate control, cruise control on the left hand side behind the steering wheel, the virtual cockpit display, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you also have your electric folding mirror controls, your full window switches, and also your Bang & Olufsen sound system. The A3 has a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back, so the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents in the centre, and it's good to see that the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Audi as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. The boot floor is also adjustable, so you can lower the height if you wish to increase the volume. And below that, you've also then got some extra storage there and your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and a colour reversing camera. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who have been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.